Every morning starts the same way. Someone takes the day's orders, counts who's in, checks what's in the tanks, and slots it all into a schedule by hand. An hour gone before the first batch is even made. So let Command build it. First thing each morning, one ask. Command reads the open orders, who's on shift, and what raw material is in stock. Then lays out the day, what to make, in what order, and who's on it. No spreadsheet wrangling. And it catches the problem before it bites. One order can't run today, you're short a key ingredient, so it flags it and suggests the fix. Make it the morning routine. Command builds the schedule every day before the team clocks in and flags anything that can't run, so the floor starts moving on time. It stays boring, on purpose. It reads your orders and stock, never changes them. The plan is yours to approve, and every run is logged so you can see why the day was laid out the way it was. This is boring AI. No hallucinations, no surprises, just your policies running themselves. SynapseDx Command.